In Bridge, you can easily manage external contacts and share your public profile without adding people as internal users. This functionality is designed for working with clients, partners, and other external collaborators. Contacts are external people who are not internal workspace users. They allow you to communicate and collaborate across organizations while keeping your workspace secure. To be added as a contact, you can share your public profile in just a few steps. Open your profile. Generate a QR code or link. Share the link or QR code with the external person. Once they open the link, they can make a contact request. After the contact is accepted on your site, the external person will be added to your contact list. After connecting, contacts can be added to specific channels. They will only see and access those channels and won't have visibility into other parts of your workspace. In addition, you will be able to start a chat with that contact or have an audio call.